EF0, the weakest tornado. Not all tornadoes are catastrophic. The weakest category on the Enhanced Fujita scale is EF0. Wind speeds 65 to 85 mph. An EF0 tornado may break small tree branches, damage gutters, and slightly peel shingles from roofs. Cars remain in place. Homes stay standing. It's dangerous but rarely deadly. Still, even the weakest tornado reminds us how fragile structures can be against nature. EF1 moderate damage begins. Wind speeds 86 to 110 mph. Now things escalate. Roofs begin to tear off. Mobile homes can overturn. Windows shatter under pressure. Small trees are uprooted. At EF1 strength, flying debris becomes the biggest threat. What was once harmless wind becomes a weapon. EF2 significant destruction. Wind speeds 111 to 135 mph. At this level, tornadoes start causing serious structural damage. Well-built homes lose entire roofs. Large trees snap in half. Light poles bend or collapse. Cars can be lifted and tossed short distances. The power becomes frighteningly visible. Entire neighborhoods can look like they were bombed. EF3 severe damage. Wind speeds 136 to 165 mph. An EF3 tornado is catastrophic. Strong houses can lose walls. Heavy vehicles can be lifted and thrown. Forests are flattened. Debris turns into high-speed projectiles. At this point, survival depends heavily on shelter quality. Basements and storm shelters become critical. This is where nature shows its true force. EF4 devastating power. Wind speeds 166 to 200 mph. An EF4 tornado can level well-built homes. Entire structures are swept from foundations. Cars are thrown hundreds of feet. Concrete structures suffer severe damage. The landscape changes permanently. It's no longer just destruction, it's transformation. EF5 the monster. Wind speeds over 200 mph. The rarest and most violent tornado category. An EF5 tornado doesn't just damage buildings. It erases them. Well-constructed homes are completely removed from foundations. Steel-reinforced structures bend. Vehicles become airborne missiles. Ground scouring can strip pavement from roads. One of the most powerful examples in history was the Joplin tornado. Entire sections of the city were destroyed within minutes. EF5 tornadoes are extremely rare, but when they form, they represent the maximum known atmospheric violence on Earth. How tornadoes form. Tornadoes usually develop from supercell thunderstorms. When warm, moist air meets cold, dry air, instability forms. Rotation begins in the storm cloud. If conditions align perfectly, a funnel descends. The U.S. experiences more tornadoes than any other country, especially in Tornado Alley. States like Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas frequently see severe outbreaks. Strength comparison simulation. Imagine the same neighborhood experiencing each tornado level. EF0 minor roof damage. EF1 trees down, some structural damage. EF2 severe roof loss and car displacement. EF3 walls collapse, streets unrecognizable. EF4 foundations exposed, buildings gone. EF5 bare ground, only debris fields remain. The difference between EF0 and EF5 isn't small. It's exponential. Wind speed may double, but destructive power multiplies dramatically. Tornadoes remind us that nature operates beyond human control. From weak swirling winds to city-leveling giants, understanding their strength helps us prepare. Because when the sky turns green and the sirens begin to scream, every second matters.